Chung, known around the world for its volcanic activities, but to truly appreciate its past and its present, you'll really need to go and see it for yourself. You'll have many, many tales to tell when it's all said and done. Every road has its thorns, and for Chung, it's the volcanic activities.
Nice.
And for some, this is the only life they have known. But for Chung, it is more than just volcanoes. The people are open, they are kind, appreciative, resilient, and loving. There are many, many people here where their stories are randomly told. Well, let's just pack everything away and look at the bright side. Nature has created a place for us, for you and I, to see the sun rise above the horizon, and it is beautiful. It's a beautiful creation. See, nature has a way of surprising us, because in the volcano's last appearance and its departure in 2014-2015, this is what it has created and what it left behind. Just look at this beauty that we all now get to witness. But for the people who had to live through it, for them it must have been a living nightmare. One cannot even imagine. In this beautiful hidden paradise, where many have moved on to greener pastures somewhere in the world, Cape Verde is still very young and growing, and for some, this will always be home. With that being said, let's head on over to the village and enjoy some real home Cape Verdean music. As you get deeper into the village, you know something magical was happening. There is nothing like sweet home Cape Verdean music. This is like going out to eat, but you realize the food at home is way better. In addition to the music in the village, the wine here is pretty good too. Here, people are hopeful, full of pride, and are proud of their village. All the performances were cut short due to time constraint, but if you'd like to see the full videos, please leave a comment below. Enjoy the music until we meet again at the end.
My name is Carlos. Nice to meet you. They call me Kazan.
This is Carlos.
Yes.
All right, nice to meet you, Carlos. Nice to meet you.
You will come.
Thank you so much. I appreciate that. And what's your name? Tony. Nice to meet you, Tony. Nice job. Your name?
Juvenile.
Juvenile. All right, nice to meet you, Juvenile. All right, and your name?
My name is Tony.
Tony, too? Oh, we got two Tonys, man. Two Tonys. All right. And what's your name?
Isandro.
Isandro. Nice to meet you, man. Nice job. You guys are great. And your name?
John.
John. Johnny. Hi, Johnny. I already know your name.
Until we
I
meet
know your
again,
name, man.
the journey
Famous.
continues.
Superstar.
Telogo.
Oh, this is nice. All right, this is nice and clean.